We have very important things to talk about for BTC and the future price action. I'm going to show you why this is the most probable structure, this is the most probable target, and this is the most probable following move for BTC in the crypto markets. We're going to look at many things here that are important that maybe you wouldn't have looked at otherwise. Guys, stick with me, and as always, join the free Discord linked in the description below for access to the community. I trade using Elliott wave theory, guys. Use it to come up with high probability trades. Been doing this for years now, and we got it down pat. Also, before we get popping in the Discord, there's a premium option. Join premium for daily alerts, 24/7 live charts, full access to me, and my full Elliott wave course. If you want to learn Elliott wave theory and a whole bunch of other educational tools, free indicators, check it out. Now, we're going to look smaller time frame on Bitcoin as well. So yesterday I posted in the alerts channel that, this is the area I wanted to see a hedge long from. I wanted to see a rejection here, or hold support here and bounce up to enter a hedge long, and we got it. Had a nice move up from this area. We'll see if we get some follow through. But yeah, the charts don't lie, guys. We're gonna look at this in more detail here, but first, we are hopping into the weekly. Guys, if you're new to Elliott Wave, stick with me. You'll learn something. If you learned something, like the video, smash the like button and subscribe. We have an ABC correction from the top on the weekly time frame on Bitcoin. We're just zoomed out here, just taking it all in. This trend line that I have created from October of 2023 to now, obviously it's an important trend line, guys. It defines kind of this bull run to the upside. A lot of people are trading this trend line. We have kissed the trend line, and yeah, we could get a bounce here, guys. I'm not saying we couldn't. This is a great bounce area. It's on a trend line, but as we know, there's a bunch of liquidity right here under this wick. There's a bunch of liquidity right here under this trend line. If we look at heat maps right here, there is a crap ton of liquidity around this 50K level. Look at all that. Are we going to go suck it up? These are a couple things to look at, guys. Simple things. Now, first thing we got to check out. I'm getting rid of this arrow too. Sorry. If we just pull, a fixed volume range of this run up. I mean, obviously we have a lot of volume up here where we're sitting in. But and we're testing the lower limit of this volume area. Some would say that we broke through it and now we're testing the breakthrough. But if we do see a nice swift cut down, there's really not a lot of volume here to hold us in place. The next volume area is right here at around that 50K level. That looks like a great spot to hold. That would be at least where you would see some type of consolidation, I would think, and then more continuation down if you want. But I'm looking for a bounce there, guys. I'm looking for a bounce. Also, we have this level right here where Bitcoin obviously likes to play around. This level right here, around that 50K level, like it's all right there. I mean, that's obviously a crucial and important level for Bitcoin if we look back. Now, one thing I like to look at on the weekly, and maybe this is just me, I don't know. It's something that I kind of picked up over the years. But if we look at, this is the exponential moving average right here. And this is specifically the 52 exponential moving average. Why is it 52? I don't know, guys. There's 52 weeks in a year, and that's, but this does not lie. Call it what you want. This is just what I do. So this is the 52 EMA on the weekly time frame, right? Obviously, this is an important EMA. We played on it way back. This is all the way back in 2018. Play on it, break. Come back, test it, break above it. Come back, test it, sit on it, fake out, sit on it again, take off. Right? We spread far away from that 52. We start rejecting and coming down. Where do we come back to? That's right. The 50 freaking 2. Bounce off of the 52. Hit back up again. Where did we come back to? Yeah, the 52. Consolidate on it. Break below it. Come back and test that break right on the 52. Dump. After the dump, where do we go? Right back to the 52. Test it. Break above it. Consolidate on it. Test it. Take off. All right. And that leads us to where we are right now, which we had a nice move down, an initial move. And it looks like, where are we coming down to, guys? Are we coming down to test the freaking 52? I would say so. I would say so. 52 would land us right on 52K. There's a lot of 52s going on. I don't know what's happening there, but that is the level that we're looking at, guys. That's what we're looking at. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Also, if we look at RSI, and guys, stick with me because each of these pieces of confluence are important. And, you know, I'm not saying this is 100% going to happen. Anything can happen, but this is my most probable scenario for Bitcoin. Bounce around 52K. Also looking on the weekly at our RSI, there's a very freaking important, in this video there's a lot of freakings as well, sorry about that. There's a very important trend line that was made on the weekly RSI, okay? We have busted that trend line. That is no joke, guys. On the weekly time frame, when you break a trend line like that, that is no joke. There's room to come down a little bit more on the momentum oscillator. If we get this move, all right? If we get a move like this, it will look like this right there on the weekly time frame. Momentum come down. Now from there, we will have hidden bullish divergence on the weekly, and we can come back up, test the trend line breakout. You know, this doesn't have to come all the way down here and fully reset. Doesn't have to. But I would look for something similar to this and then come back and test the trend line breakout, and that's where we get our final leg up. We put in true bearish divergence on the weekly time frame on all of our indicators. True bearish divergence, and then we can have our big dump to targets. This is what I am forecasting in the markets. This is what I am seeing in the markets. You guys can trade whatever you want, do whatever you want. I hope you're profitable, I really do. But this is what I'm seeing in the markets. I can't unsee it. All right. Now, for trading purposes, guys, number one, MEXC is going full KYC tomorrow. Down here, Blowfin has hooked me up with the best promotion I can get you guys. I am on Blowfin right now. That's my exchange I'm using. It is no KYC. It is no VPN. Down here, you get 15% back on deposits if you use the link in the description or code Junkies. Guys, it's a free 15%. If you deposit $1,000, $150 for free. $5,000, $750 for free, guys. If you think 15% gain on your account is massive, you get a free 15% gain on your account. Use the link in the description below, sign up, or use code chart junkies and literally take advantage of this, guys. It's limited time only. There's a cap on how many people can use the link, but I got you hooked up. I got you. Don't ever say I never didn't do anything for you. Check them out, linked in the description below. Okay. Now, if, you know, looking at this on the weekly, time-wise, you know, you're looking at September. If this is the actual structure, I mean, yeah, guys, I mean, September, October area, maybe, you know, get a little October surprise right before the election. Maybe some serious world events go down before the election. This is all speculative. Maybe some something overseas, possibly. Maybe yeah, some serious things start to go down in October for the U.S. elections, and some. I feel like some shenanigans are going to happen. We'll see. We'll see. That's speculative. But yeah, you're looking at September, October, November, later in the year, fourth quarter for this dumperoni. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Now, going smaller time frame, guys. I'm honestly just zooming in to this right here, this rejection area that we had a nice bounce off of. We're zooming into that. This is the nice bounce that we experienced. And I'm telling you guys, I'm still overall short. I'm sitting overall short in everything. That's just where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. But it gets boring sitting short. It gets boring sitting in position. So, of course, we're trading. We're hedging. We're putting in trades. And this was the next trade that looked good along off of this area. Finished WXY correction here. We have a nice, it looks like a nice impulse. I would be looking for some type of an ABC correction into tomorrow, closer to market open Monday. And then maybe, you know, you got your 1, 2, looking for 3, 4, 5, maybe up to 63.6K, 64K, something like that. It's possible. It's possible, guys. Come back into this wick area, into this, you know, no man's land, fill all this, and then we continue our pursuit to the downside. That's what I'm looking at, guys. That is what I am looking at, smaller time frame. Guys, join the Discord, link in the description below. Sign up for Blowfin. It is the best no KYC, no VPN exchange. Now that MEXC is out of the picture for no KYC, it's what I'm using. 15% back on deposits. I'll see you in Discord. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching this all the way through. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you so much. Bye.